So we will go into React spinners now. So here you can see change color. Let's for example change the color. So how do you do a React spinner? It's explained here. So there are a lot of React spinners given by this author, and then you can click on this author where you can see his website and his projects and all. It's quite nice to read his website also. And of course, how do we do it? We will be directly going into the storybook, and then the parameters that are available for all the spinners are given with the example also. So you have to adjust the size of the React spinner as and when needed. For example, you can see I have made it a size of 400, 360, 160. This is depending upon how you visualize that. So you can see clock loader. So let me just explain through you. Let me put like maybe 8 seconds. Should be good enough to explain. Let's go through one by one of the loader. Let's look at the clock loader first. I have put size 400 and color as red. So you can see here, refresh is getting color as red, right? So the other guy, which is clock loader close, let's open the ring loader. I put a size of 360 green. So let's click. Yeah, this is a green size of 360, and then the color has changed. Now we are going to an orange color with the Pac-Man of size 160, 160. So let's click at the Pac-Man and see. Okay. So that is what author has given here. Width, height, all can be set here. So usually we'll set size is enough, but unless you want to be specific, you can put width and height for that. If you are having a constrained space, you want to make it very small, so you have to adjust with this or play around with these parameters. So this is what usually we see in banks, fintech companies all use this type of loaders. Probably they have made their own, or they take from a GIF, something like that, or they have taken from React spinners. Anyways, this is the basic logic how they are doing it. So you will appreciate how to do it in the React with your own ideas in place, right? So thanks guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like it. This is Kumar Guruputran signing off to see you in yet another full episode video.